Dere kuyog-kuyugan tayo dayo ang mga na. Dire na siya magpa kuan magpa masag sa isang ulo sa kaarte ani. Kaartehan. Very good tani, very good. Sige kuyog-kuyog. Gwardiya-gwardiya. Pretty Ellie, you're so pretty. Ellie is watching po da. Diyan po siya, oh.
Yeah. He wasn't.
Yeah.
To his warning.
I know. He did a good job, huh? That's a good dog.
Not even a single bite.
Yeah. So now we know that he is a good dog. You think Ellie would not eat it? Ellie? Look at the eyes. I don't know. I know. He's a good catcher.
You're all wet and muddy again.
But Mama, I had to.
Had to.
Had to dive way down deep under the kitchen. It was way down deep where there was this cave in. It was real dark and muddy. And there was about 1 million other fish, and they all tried to eat me. And I had to throw rocks at them. And then there were these 2 big snakes. And
Sounds like that cottontail you wrote this morning.
but I wrote them right
Ano
where
sa
you.
liga, oh.
Well, you suddenly brought home a rabbit, and now this big catfish, you're getting to be as good
Ezekiel
as
po, Ezekiel. Nakadadi. Minatias anime. Oh. Ay, nangugmo pa. Nangugmo. Nangugmo ang natanaog sa lida. Kung bugas manang.
just a little boy with a big imagination. Well, good
Ay,
enough you
nako.
did.
Masisiki, oh.
You don't yell at dog much longer, it's gonna make...
Darito pa na. Ayun, siguro.
to fight some
Change daw, may change. Si daddy na po daw si Matias. Say hi. What you're watching, Ezekiel? What's gonna be the title?
I do not know.
Ask daddy, what's the title?
I do not know.
Daddy, say title ani daddy? Old Yeller.
But watching Old Yellow. We're watching Old
It's
Yellow.
fun because there's a lot of animals. And wild boy like Ezekiel, like this, oh. Yeah, there's a wild boy like you, right? Look at oh.
Yellow.
Garap eh. Mouse.
Come on,
Si daddy, oh. Si Matias.
Oh.
We all don't be their papa.
Oh, there's a pop. Pop, 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 pop.